I just turned 18 and I wish someone had told me this when I was 13. So if you are between 13 and 17, stop scrolling. This might be the video that saves you years of regret. Teenage is not a movie montage with background music and fairy lights. It's confusion, heartbreak, pressure, and constant comparison. But if you are smart, you can use this chaos to build something powerful. First things first, save yourself from distractions. Be it your phone, your crush, a toxic friend group, cut the noise. Your focus is your superpower right now, and every second you waste, someone else is getting ahead of you. Second, here's a truth you might hate: trust no one but yourself, because in the end, it's always you versus you for you, and you against your doubts. No friend, no mentor, no perfect person is coming to save you. And while we are talking about people, choose your friend circle like you choose your passwords. Carefully. Don't try to look cool by doing dumb things. In the trend of becoming cool, don't make a fool out of yourself. Third, ask yourself what makes your heartbeat faster, not in fear but in fire. Find your passion and give it attention before it gets buried under distractions. Spend time with yourself. Your 13 to 17 phase is not just schools and selfies, it's self discovery. And please feel your emotions. Your thoughts deserve space. If you can't talk to someone, talk to your journal, your rooftop, your playlist. Just don't bottle it up. One day you'll explode, and it won't be pretty. Fourth, you know what's the biggest lie we tell ourselves? That this problem is the end of the world. It's not. Nothing is as big as your mind makes it. The mountain is not the syllabus, it's you and your mindset. Be your biggest fan, cheer for yourself, but also be your biggest hater. Call out your excuses. Introspect, retrospect, reset, and repeat. And lastly, if no one has told you this today, have patience. You are not supposed to have it all figured out at 16. What matters is consistency. Keep showing up even when no one is clapping, even when you are failing. Because at the end, showing up is all that matters. Because consistency is what separates the best from the rest. So if you are 13, 15, 17, please remember this phase will shape you, but it won't define you unless you let it. So slow down, reflect, and grow. And when it gets hard, just whisper to yourself, I have got me, I have got myself. And if you're still struggling to believe in yourself, watch this next video. Till then, keep hustling.